So I wasn't expecting to make another Black Goku video until we got more information, and I wasn't expecting more information for at least a few more days until maybe the next episode. But surprise, surprise, I feel like I'm saying this every week now, we have brand new information about what is going on in Dragon Ball Super, at least for the next 2 episodes. So with that said, episode 51, the episode that's coming up next, basically what's happening in that episode is Goku and everyone else, they try to chase after Black Goku, because as we know, Black Goku went back to the future, and as he was getting sucked back into the future, he destroyed Trunks' time machine, so they really don't have a way to get to the future now. So you know, that's all well and good, but the next episode, episode 52, it's called Master and Pupil Reunion, Son Gohan and Future Trunks. I'm going to quickly read over the synopsis so you have a basic idea of what's going on. Bulma hurries to repair the time machine and comprehend its energy. Meanwhile, the Trunks from the future goes to meet Gohan, who had been his master in the world of the future. However, Trunks is bewildered to find that the Gohan who shows up is completely different than the one he knew. Out of all the things in Dragon Ball Super so far, this Future Trunks and Gohan reunion is going to be so interesting because, as we know, the last time Trunks saw Gohan, he killed Cell, and now, however many years later, he's arguably weaker than Cell. Definitely looking forward to this, but here is where it gets absolutely crazy. Episode 53 has been revealed as Reveal Black's True Identity. Now off to the Kaioshin realm of Universe 10. After realizing that Black has the same key as Zamasu, Universe 10's apprentice Kaioshin, the god of destruction Beerus and his attendant Whis head to Universe 10 together with Goku. In order to verify his key, Goku challenges Zamasu, but ... So that is absolutely crazy. It looks like we're going to be seeing Universe 10, the insides of Universe 10 before we even see the insides of Universe 6. This doesn't entirely confirm that Black is Zamasu. Even though he has the same key as him, he may not be the same person. He may just be the same kind of race or the same kind of being. Kind of like how Beerus and Champa have the same key, Black Goku and Zamasu could have the same key. But that's not it. The episode after that, episode 54, has been revealed as Inheritor of Saiyan Blood, Trunks' Resolve. The synopsis of this episode's summary is, though they know Zamasu and Black have an extraordinarily similar key, they are unable to obtain any proof that the two are the same person. Meanwhile, Vegeta tells Trunks from the future, I am going to give you some training. So straight away after reading what's going to be happening in the next few episodes and the events that are going to be going down, are really positive. I've seen nothing that I just read out I dislike. Strangely enough, we're going to be seeing Universe 10, which is kind of a random universe, before Universe 6, which got introduced obviously in the last arc. I love that Zamasu has the same kind of key as Black Goku, which means, yeah, he's probably a bad guy. You know, if you don't have the same key as someone, if you're not related to them, and as we know, Black is a bad guy, so I can't see Zamasu being good. He is also an inverted Supreme Kai, so, you know, it makes sense. Also, I want to quickly say that I thought the Universal Tournament was good, and it was good. But compared to this, the events that are taking place in the next few episodes genuinely seem like they could be some of the best Dragon Ball episodes ever. Also, I need to touch back on where it says Vegeta tells Trunks from the future, I'm going to give you some training. If that doesn't mean Trunks gets Super Saiyan God, then I don't know what does. There would be no reason for Vegeta to train Trunks and not show him Super Saiyan God. I mean, he was supposed to do it with Kaba back in the tournament, but I don't know what's happening with that. I just find it kind of funny how as soon as Vegeta gets the chance, he trains his son, while Goku hasn't really done anything with Goten or Gohan. Now, going back to Universe 10, why Universe 10? And more importantly, if we're going into Universe 10, does that mean that eventually they'll go into all the universes? Because let's be real, Universe 10 is kind of a random number, and the only universes that we've really gotten into are Universe 6 and 7. And again, since it is Universe 10, the parallel to Universe 10, I think it's 3, that would add up to 13. What's in Universe 3? If Universe 10 is so important, what's the parallel to that, you know what I mean? I do feel like that since Dragon Ball Super is doing amazing in Japan right now, that it's obviously going to continue, and we're probably going to be seeing a large majority of these universes, if not all of them. Anyway, that is all the new information to keep you up to date with Dragon Ball Super. Let me know what you think of this. I'm mostly positive towards this. I want to thank you all for watching, and until we meet again, I will see you in the next Dragon Ball video.